Believe it or not, itasasabihan ng Congressman Edsel Lagman na 100 pesos bawat signature. Believe it or not, in my district, eko ginastos ni Meto nga pera. Eko ginastos pero may nikuha kaming almost 17%. Kareng total registered voters all over the 3rd District of Pampanga.
Pegmaragul ng Senior Deputy Speaker at Pampanga 3rd District Representative Aurelio Dong Gonzales Jr. asuportado rin kayang sasakupan ing susubong dang charter change. Iniing pepasyag na rin kongresista king kayang interview kareng media anyang Biyernes January 19. Agpangkangkong Dong, ala kanong pepalwal pera bang manyaling pirma kalupa na ning sasabyan ng Albay Representative Edsel Lagman asasa lang sangking mikakasang People's Initiative.
And I understand, in 1st District, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, the whole province, may nikwata mo alang gastos. Imburi ng sabihan, deng tao, inisplika miya karela, buriye ba ini? Willing kayo bang amendahan tayo in 1987 Constitution? Number 2, kutang, bisa ko ba na magboto kaming jointly with the Senate and the House of Representatives? In Constitution, in 1953 Constitution at 1935, isasabihan na voting separately. Pero in 1987 Constitution, alayang sasabihan nung voting separately or voting jointly. Kaya ngayon, kukutang kami ka rin tao, bisa kayo magboto kaming jointly, deng senador, ang pong congressman, oy tapinayag la.
Kumpiyansa naman kanoy Gonzales ang misubong yaing plebisito. Kinumpirma na mo rin ganong COMELEC Chairman George Garcia ang makatanggap ng signature forms iba't kareng 4 aralan na cities and municipalities king mabilog abang siya.
This is the first time na milyari na talagang people's initiative all over the country. Believe it or not, dakala rin mag-signify. Talagang burida na yung mga amenda. Lalo na, yung economic provision tamo. Kami naman, senador, ang pong congressman, dala na kami ken. If that is a petition, ken COMELEC, the people will decide. And there is a plebiscite. So, ala na kaya pong papilken, yung halimbawang dire-diretso yung people's initiative, ala na kaya pong papilken. Nung CONAS, ing misabi ken ing Senado ang po yung Kongreso. Pero kailangan mabibisa kayo.
Samantala, para king local political analyst at activist for change ay retired Bishop Jose Briones manwalang intindido la rin Kapampangan keng Chacha kalupa na ning Manwanang Gonzales. Bukod kasi kanukang Representative Lagman ning Albay, mismong i-presidential sister Senator Amy Marcos ing sinabing mididinan lang pera reng balang magpirma king People's Initiative Campaign.
Although they're clocking it na economic provisions, pero still dapat all the things that have to be changed must be discussed ken lalam. Should be discussed thoroughly for people when they sign it, they know exactly what they are signing for. Pero nung ala, ay ating kaya mo, lalto, bala mo it is bayaralan dalang 100 pesos. And that in itself kay deceitful. Sabi natin kay Jaime, shameless. Shameless in her term. Talagang mabayad ang binili ng amano.
Panwala ng Briones ang giyang atinong 17% na reng voting population king 13 distrito ning Pampanga reng megpirma. Mayorya naman kanu reng memalen ing kontra king Chacha.
And people initiative, by the term itself, buri na sabihan, it emanates from the people king ground. Not from people upstairs. So baligtad yun. It's really no longer people initiative. So nung halimbawa may nikuha na ng 17%, I don't think that will still prosper ruling. In sentiment na rin tao, reburitang people's initiative kay kawan da.
Agpangking COMELEC marapat siya ing plebisito nung manikwayang 3% king kada voting population ning balang legislative district o katumbas na ning 12% king mabilog abang sa ing misusubong a People's Initiative. Minuna ng sinabing Senator Risa Hontiveros, anasa ning misusubong a People's Initiative, apainan ing boses daring senador, pangaras king pamanya lang sang king Chacha, king meto nga statement, pepasyas na ning opposition senator at tungkulya king grid o pamanabuso king posisyon at alikareng tao ing kampanyang ini. Ako yung kayong talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos ating pusong makabalan.
Thank you.